But anyway, how much did YouTube pay me for it? I got paid a total of $54,633.
Yep, you heard that right. She made over 50 grand from just one video. Crazy, right? It might sound unbelievable, but I'm gonna break down exactly how she pulled it off and how you can also make a solid income from YouTube. But before you start your channel, there's something really important you need to know. I'll break down later in this video. In that video, she also revealed the earnings from another one of her uploads. That video got around 40,000 views and made her over $1,000. But here's the interesting part. She showed another creator, Tatiana, who made only around $700 even though her video got over 200K views. So what's really going on here? Why are some videos earning way more than others? Let's break it down in simple terms. Basically, Sara is in the finance niche, and RPMs in this niche are usually much higher than almost any other niche. She even showed that she got around a $29 RPM on the video that made her $50,000. On the other hand, Tatiana only made around $600 because her RPM was way lower, around $3 to $4. These are some of the high RPM niches you can go for. Real estate and finance are among the highest paying ones. The cool part is, in these niches, you can still make a good amount of money even if you get low views. Now you might be thinking, but I don't know anything about finance. How can I make videos on that? Bro, if you still believe those so-called gurus who teach you how to become a millionaire actually got rich using those same methods, you're still a bit naive. They make money by telling you how to make money. Once you really understand that, you'll see how powerful this game is. You can even build generational wealth from it. But anyway, that's a topic for another day. Alright, so let's talk about how you can actually find topics for your videos. Let's take the finance niche as an example. And yeah, we're gonna use ChatGPT for this. Just open it up and type something like, "Give me finance video ideas for my next YouTube video." Boom, you'll get tons of ideas instantly. And the best part? You don't even have to write the script yourself. Just ask ChatGPT to write one for you on any topic you like. Oh, and if you don't want to use your own voice, no worries. You can use free AI voice generators like SpeechMa or TTS OpenAI. Easy. Now just copy your script and paste it into a text-to-speech converter. For this example, I'm using SpeechMa. Next, pick the voice you like, type in those little numbers to prove you're not a robot, because
AI is far more dangerous.
And then hit the generate button. Boom, your voiceover's ready. Go ahead and download the file and you're good to go. All right, let's move on to the final part, editing. I'm using CapCut PC for this, but you can follow the same steps on your phone too. First, import your audio. Now we need visuals that match the voiceover. For that, Pexels is hands down the best free stock footage site. Just search for clips that fit your script, click on the one you like, choose the resolution, and hit download. Once it's downloaded, import it into CapCut. You can even animate it. Just click on the animate button and add a simple fade-in effect. Then, do the same for a few more clips to make your video flow nicely. And to make it pop even more, add some captions. Click on the auto caption button, and once they're generated, select the interfont. Now hit play and check out the final result.
You ever had that moment where you check your bank account and it literally hurts to look at the number? You're refreshing the screen, hoping maybe it's an error, but nah, it's real. You're broke. No money. No backup plan, no idea how you'll make it through the month. And everyone around you says, "Don't worry, bro, things will get better." But deep down you're like, when? How?
Looks clean, right? Some of you might say, "Bro, CapCut is paid. How are we supposed to edit videos then?" If you want me to make a video on how to use CapCut completely free, no cracked versions or shady stuff, just drop a comment saying CapCut free and I'll make that video for you. For now, just start uploading videos consistently for at least 90 days. And trust me, you'll start seeing results. Good luck, bro.